Love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
So today is another no bag day. Girl, what the video? You not post it? Yeah. Post it on TikTok? Oh, don't post that. So guys, today I know bag day again and we are going to clip them with the people there with them bags. I'm going to make a video but today look like it's going to be festive. So today is a no bag day at Merl, and at this point the students are cleaning and getting ready for the afternoon festivities. I make a TikTok video with the bags. Make a try put it like this and use a different sound. Some because of the alright, let me see. Make a try put on the bags them funny, but or maybe it take a small or make a try my best and try edit it properly so I can get a closer view of everybody bag. Not everybody bag, but the bag them I'm gonna get to take picture of. So that's that. My friend gone left me, she gone her class. And well our farm class, I'm not in a class today because my teacher not come. But yeah, I'm going to my old school today hopefully, and I'm supposed to buy my friend something for her birthday, which is tomorrow. So that's that. Stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm really like to love the school vlog them. I don't know why, but I love the school vlog them. I'm gonna see the madman today for video. So if I see him, I go video him. I have a clip of him from yesterday, but if I see him again, I go video him. I'm gonna video him teacher them. So stay tuned for what's about to come. Let's hope this day goes well. I'm not buying no lunch. I'm hungry. I feel like I'm gonna eat a tea biscuit. Maybe, maybe not, but yeah. That's that. Guys.
Another day, another dollar. What about the night? Another night, another client.
Hey, get him, get him, get him, get him. Students are walking to their classes right now. Me not in a class, so yeah. They're ready. I'm gonna get them the class bag. I'm gonna get the class bag except for that bag. Guys, I'll be a social media going in the bag there.
All the song they freestyle.
I don't know, festivities at school or something. I don't know.
So hi guys, welcome back to Candy's channel. So of course we have Minot. We have Kiwana, the reading freak.
Hi guys. The what? Reading freak.
We have the chemist.
Lot of mercy.
And of course we have Candy's, the YouTuber girl Nessie. And Tashika. Yeah.
Remember to
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
and watch the
Ads.
Yeah, vlog.
yeah, you're blind.
Hi guys.
Look where look them. Them look dry on the video.
Why?
You know look dry on the
Wait,
video.
hold on. Stop the video.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Stop the video. Let me get Vaseline.
It just look dry on the video and it look dry in a person. Girl, you just ever talk to me something for my vlog.
Okay guys, hi. I'm not a long time ago saying because Dirty Candies don't put me in the vlog anymore.
It's like you were in the
She don't put me in her videos
in the
anymore.
vlog, in the recent one, the most recent one. Oh God, champs.
So tell her just for a little few seconds.
Because we never really video, whatever.
Hey miss, are your son pampas?
Turn it round, miss. Turn it around. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at my teacher bag.
Hey. You have to come out to your son so you can.
Girl come to school and I hide me out. Watch your bag too. Follow us on Instagram, Slayed by Pebs. Ratted. Born fighter, strongest soldier. Oi Sango. Like, comment, and tell a friend. Yeah, bye. Sorry. Me have to buy. Water. Sweet and sour chicken. Hey, that's a good deal. In the lower schools, our chair and all. Watch. Guys, we have our food. We are getting our food specially done. Okay, take it. Full lunch now, so guys, it is currently lunchtime. Lunchtime now, though. I will match up the food, we get our food long time and about to, you know. Show them where you get tonight. Not even looking at mine yet. Hope I writing him man give me now. Rotted! Are you hearing that or mine?
Mine.
Let me see. No one hearing.
It's mine.
Look, my friend vexed with she, cause she not a behavior.
Who vexed with who? That's why
She
she's so
vexed with
humble
she.
and not make no nice. Who vexed? Tana vexed with Pachina?
Yeah. And them my bestie, guys. Them are the bestest of friends.
You can see it in that Tana your face so she vexing and watch it.
Vex. The lady did not quit. In my class, brought these bags. Whole of the days. Bonjour. What you have to say? Really, Vanessa? Nah, I'm lie. Seriously, Calabar? Seriously? Seriously, Calabar? Gems. Whole of it, yes. Bad to bad. You see that one already? You see me on YouTube? You don't see me on YouTube, girl. You know. Last night. Me I put people in bag. Now we have Jenna. I'm not sweet everybody asks me because them see me at you. We have Jenna and Tish tell them, hey, what's the bag there? Ratchet. I'm not telling lies, my putting them bag look good. We are backstage right now. Because we're going to play the song then, so maybe not get the video.
Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, students.
That bad. Got my short top. What you have to say to YouTube? Miss? What? Rich? Miss Rich, you know? I am sweating. I'm honestly very tired. So this is the end of the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna go because I am tired. So better that, guys.